Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out which Android app got updated or deleted in your Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and you need to search this one application name as Installux F-Droid. Just search this application on the Google search. Once you search, you can see on the top here, you can see the top, the Installux F-Droid, the official websites. Just click on it. Now it will take to the website link. So you can see here application name is Installux. So just scroll down below and you can see here download APK. As you can see here, download APK 3.7 megabytes. Just firstly download and install it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download by clicking on this download APK file and install it firstly. So after installing, what you need to do, just launch the applications. So here below you can see two options like a manual scan and delete logs. So as I'm already using it from before, so my applications has been displayed here. So you can do a manual scan if you're using it for the first time and wait for some seconds until the processing gets complete. And once the processing gets complete, you will be shown this kind of application list. So here you can see the top one. It was mentioned in the yellow color. It is deleted, so you may not be able to see it clearly, but I've recently deleted one application named as Tumblr applications recently, and you can see here below, just below that, you can see here just below that, you can see a modified, that is a camera, that is a Google camera. Just I have updated it, so it's showing it. So when you tap on this application, you will get like this, like copy hash. You can copy those hash codes if you want, and you can find out all the modified or deleted Android apps that is being done on your Android smartphones using these applications. So if you want to know or find out which Android apps got updated or deleted in your Android smartphones, then this application is really very useful to find out such issues. So if you never known about these cool applications, then download it today. And using these applications, you will be able to find out which Android app got updated or deleted in your Android smartphones. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.